don't really got way too many friends, but I'm really close to Benjamin. Me and him every weekend. Yeah, we bought
Show that porn. Yeah, Cardi B, I'm back, bitches. I wanna hear I'm acting different. Same lips that be talking about me is the same lips that be ass kissing. These hoes saying what they say they are.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda. You guys already know. And well, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial here for you guys like always. So if you guys would like to see what I am gonna be doing today, then just keep on watching. Hello guys, I'm gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette. Finally, I'm using a different palette, and I'm gonna go in with Rossiana. It's like a light brown. I really love my browns, and I'm just gonna be using this as a transition shade. So I'm gonna be using that brush you guys see now. Probably like list the number of the brush down below in the screen, as well as to my other brushes I am using. And well, I'm gonna just be placing this all over the eyelid. You just want to be packing it in and just kind of be building it up so it looks very popping and bright. Like, you want your transition to be a little bit noticeable so they could see, it could kind of peek through. Going in with this brush right here, and I just like to blend in my transition shade because you don't want it to look all streaky because it's not blended. So you just want to go in and blend your transition shade. Now going in with Real Guard. This is kind of like an orangey type. I don't know how to really describe it, but I'm just going to be placing this all over the eyelid as well, just how I did to the first shade. I'm just going to be doing it as well to this one, and you're just going to be packing it in the eyelid. I'm going to be using a love letter and that brush because this is a little bit more precise brush. And what you want to do with love letter is you want to just place this all over the eyelid. I mean, not the eyelid, but just want to be placing this all over the crease and just kind of be building it up. Then you want to go back in with the blending brush, and you just want to be blending everything in together so it doesn't look very harsh. It looks nice and neat. Then I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Inflatable the Slim eyeliner, and I really love this eyeliner because it's very black and it's easy to do your eyeliner with. So I'm just going to be using this eyeliner. Now I'm going to be using this Maybelline Eye Studio in the Black is Black, and just be placing this in my waterline. Going back in with the palette and going with those two shades, Regard and Love Letter, and just be placing this at the bottom of my waterline and just kind of be blending it afterwards as well. Then going in with the Star Crush Minerals and Electric Cloud, and just be placing this in the inner corner of the eye just to give it a little bit of pop. Then you just want to be going in with some lashes. Like, yes hun, lashes make everything 10 times better. So you just want to put some lashes on and we're set. Then we're just going to be applying some mascara to the bottom of my lashes and then also to the top. For the top mascara, I am using the Scandal Eyes Rockin' Curves mascara. This is like the best mascara ever. I fell in love with it ever since my mom gave me it. I was like, yes boo, I love it. I'm gonna be doing my face off camera, so I'll be back. And I'm gonna be using this Becca Champagne Pop because this highlighter is so bomb. And there's a big fluffy brush by Morphe, and I'm just gonna be placing this on my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, like girl, everywhere, even on everywhere. Like, you just want to be that bitch that was popping. Yeah, just keep applying it, girl. Yes bitch, yes. Lipstick, like every time I wear this lipstick, someone's like, girl, what are you wearing on your lips? Because they're so bright and pretty. Like, this is like the prettiest red I ever like seen. And then on top of this, I am gonna go in with Stilla, and I was so excited to finally use it because I never really wear this like red lipsticks, but today I was just feeling it, so I was like, yeah, I have to. And the look is done. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. It's a red button that says subscribe, and if you press the bell next to it, the bell icon, you guys will get a notification every time I post, so you guys will be able to watch every single video I'll be posting. I post every week, so don't miss on any video, because girl, I be making looks every week, so you might like one of them. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys next time. Bye.